Good morning, my dear children. How have you been? Today we start our class with a quote said by Mahatma Gandhi. The weak never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. The weak never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. We are seeing the prose good for evil. Now we recollect the previous class. This story is about a rude American farmer and a compassionate Red Indian. One evening, a farmer stood at the door of his farmhouse. Just then, Red Indian came slowly along the road. He was very tired and hungry, so he asked for food or at least something to drink. But he refused to give him. After some days, an American farmer went to the forest to hunt. When night fell, he lost his way. He was very tired and hungry. So he searched for food and a hut. Finally, he saw a hut where a Red Indian stood at the entrance of his hut. Up to this, we have seen in our previous class. Before seeing the continuity of the story, we see the glossary. First one, gladly, it means happily, willingly. It has two syllables, Gladly. It means happily, willingly. Next, hesitate, it has three syllables, Hesitate. It means unwilling. Mattress, bed. It has two syllables, Matters. Clearing, it has two syllables. It means an open space in the forest. Track, path. Recollect, it means remember. It has three syllables, RECOLLECT. Once again, we learn the meaning of these words. Gladly, happily, willingly. Hesitate, unwilling. Mattress, bed. Clearing, an open space in the forest. Track, path. Recollect, remember. Now we see the continuation of this prose, good for evil. On seeing the Red Indian, an American farmer went to him and he said that I lost my way. I was very tired and hungry. Please give me something to eat and show me a way out of the forest. Red Indian gladly, without hesitating, he said that but night has fallen and it is too dangerous to go through the forest at this night. I gave you food, you stay at night in my hut. Then he also accepted. A Red Indian gave him a food and something hard to drink. After that, he spread a mattress to sleep on. An American farmer slept on the mattress. After he woke up, he gave him food and prepared to show him a way. They walked together several miles. At last, they reached a clearing. What is the meaning of clearing? An open space in the forest. Red Indian said to him, follow this track about 1.5 miles, you will reach your farm. Follow this track about 1.5 miles, you will reach your farm. An American farmer, all his way, he thought that he was thinking that I had seen him somewhere else, but I don't remember not mistaken, I have seen you somewhere else, but I don't remember when and where. Then Red Indian said that, yes, you have seen me. Don't you remember? One evening, you turned away a very tired and hungry Indian. Then an American farmer, he kept silent and he said that, I am sorry. I'm very sorry. I never do the same to any poor or traveler. You have done good for evil. I never ever forget as I live. Is it clear, my dear children? And after that, an American farmer went to his farmhouse and Red Indian went to his hut. Do you understand the story? Okay, now can you tell me what are the moral values that you have learned from this story? The first thing, we have to do good for evil, and then we have to forget and forgive. In our life also, we may come across or we came across some people who have refused to help us or who neglected us, isn't it? What we are going to do for them? Only one thing we are going to do. What is that? We have to do good for them. And whatever they have done to us, we have to forget and we have to forgive them. Is it clear, my dear children? The very important lesson, okay, that we have learned from this story is that we have to be kind and treat all with love and care. We have to be kind and treat all with love and care. A best example I remember while I am telling this word, kind, love and care. Can you guess? Yes, she is Mother Teresa. Okay, she lived a life, isn't it? Okay, she showed love, care, and she also kind to everyone. We also try to be kind and love and show our love and care to everyone. Will you do, my dear children? Hope you will do it. Okay, thank you, my dear children. See you in the